Hello ladies, welcome back to another video. Today's video I will be showing you girls how to make a handmade fox leather purse using Isela's material from iselascraftshop.com. So these are some of the materials we're going to need to create the purse. You don't need a zigzag die. You can also cut by hand. You can get a wooden template, or you can buy a template off Etsy. And then the buttons are from Amazon. And then the zigzag machine that you can find at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or other craft stores. And these are the beautiful sheets that Isela sent me, and we're going to be creating the bag. So if you guys have a zigzag die, you guys would put it in here, close it, and pass it through the machine. If you're cutting by hand, it's different. You would just need a pen and the template to cut it. And then once we're done passing it through the machine, this is how it looks. My die doesn't cut all the way through, so that's why I use the scissors to cut the little other pieces. So it's very easy and simple. You guys can be creating your own purses at home for your little girls. We're gonna need a hot glue gun. This is like my favorite glue gun. I've tried other ones and they never work. The paper fasteners, you can get them at Target or Michael's or Staples. And then the buttons, the kit is from Amazon. I love this color pink. I always choose the buttons that match my purse, okay ladies? So we need 2 of these. For the paper fasteners, we only need 4 pieces. And that's what holds the bag together. You get the little flaps and you just put them all together. We do the same on the other side. And this is what we need the hot glue for, okay? You see those little 4 circles on the table? I always put those over the paper fasteners so the little girls won't poke themselves. So make sure you guys always cut like a little extra piece just so you guys can put that extra safety on there, you know? And it also holds the bag longer, I think. So then right here, we're almost done. Put it down. I always make sure that they're straight. I always make sure that my strap is straight and that it looks good from the outside before I glue anything. Please be careful on this spot, part right here, because I've burned myself before and it hurts really bad. So be careful with the hot glue because it does get pretty hot. And you just add a little bit, and then you do the same to the bottom part. And now you push the little hole through with this little tool that also came with the kit. And you push your button through. And now we're going to punch it with the little tool that was from Amazon. Be careful guys, be patient with this part. I've messed up so many buttons, but the more you do it, the more you get used to it, okay? So just be patient and focus when you're doing this part, because you don't want to mess up your buttons or you don't want to mess up your purse. So you just punch it through. And this is how the purse ends up looking. I always make sure I close it and open it like a few times just to make sure that it's good and ready to go. And it turns out super cute. These are like #1 sellers in my shop. And yeah, look how beautiful the purse looks. If you guys are interested in buying the material, please make sure to check out iselascraftshop.com. They have a lot of beautiful material available for your next craft